Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
What are the units for the ideal gas law PV equal nRT? Correct answer is the units for the ideal gas law PV equal nRT are pressure P, atmosphere ATM, pascals PA or any other unit of pressure, volume V, liters L or cubic meters M3, amount of substance and moles small. Ideal gas constant or varies based on the units used for the other variables. Commonly used unit is LATM, mole K or J by mole K, temperature T, Kelvin K.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.